Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Jennie frozen turkey burgers. Let's begin. We have here Jennie seasoned frozen turkey burgers. Let's open it up. And we'll be cooking 4 burgers. Let's open it up. There you go, that's 1. And 4. Since these frozen burgers are already seasoned, we're just going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the frozen turkey burgers. But before we put in the frozen turkey burgers, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There you go. We're going to put the frozen turkey burgers into the basket. Be a tight squeeze. There we go. We got them in. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 18 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 9 minutes so far at 380 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. There we go. And now let's put it back in for the last 9 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 18 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 165 degrees. And we're set. Just gonna check another one. And we're set. We're gonna put the turkey burgers to the side. For the turkey burgers, we're using slider mini buns. And they're the perfect size. We're going to take out 4. Open them up. We're gonna put some mayo on the buns. Next, we're going to add some lettuce. We're going to add a slice of tomato. Next, we're going to add the burgers. There we go. We're going to add some American cheese to the turkey burgers. And lastly, we're going to add some guacamole, or you can make your own guacamole. I'm going to take some guacamole and add it on top. And lastly, we're going to put the buns on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer frozen Jennie turkey burgers. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.